Hey, what's up everyone? Welcome back to another video on our channel Tech It Simple. In this video, I'm gonna guide you on how you can fix messenger call screen becoming black. Sometimes you can see when you are on a call on messenger and suddenly you cannot see anything on the screen and the screen becomes totally dark. This is sometimes caused by a bug on your device. Now, in order to fix this problem, there are a few solutions that you can try out, but before heading to the solutions, make sure that you are subscribed to our channel and also turn on the notifications so you don't miss out on any of our upcoming videos. There are a few things that you can do to fix this problem. The first thing you can do is make sure that your messenger is up to date. Go to Play Store and check if your messenger has any new updates. If it has, then make sure to update it because updating apps fixes any kinds of bugs. So make sure that is updated. The last thing you can do is hold the messenger app and go to app info. From here you can clear the data of messenger. You can clear both data and the cache of messenger. After you do that, make sure that you remember the email address and password of your messenger, because removing the data of messenger will also remove email address and password from your device. So try out the things that I showed in this video. I hope you guys found this video to be helpful. If you did, give us a thumbs up and we will be soon back with more videos similar to this. Thank you for watching.